ko po ang hindi gwapo pero mayaman. Dahil lagi po natin pakatatandaan, ang ganda, ang gwapo, lilipas po yan. Pero ang puso at ginagawa mo sa pera mo na pagtulong sa kapwa mo, yan ay mamumutawi habang buhay.
So, Miss Yang La Victoria, please choose a number from 1 to 5. Magsasalamin ako.
Number 3.
Please play video clip number 3.
So, papanoorin niyo muna, meron tayong video. Then may question. So, Beauty and the Beast.
Okay, Miss Yang La Victoria, do you recognize the video shown? It's from the Cartoon Classic. Okay, so your question goes like this. If you were Belle, who is the lead female character, would you fall in love with a rich but ugly person or a poor but a handsome guy? I would repeat. If you were Belle, would you fall in love with a rich but ugly person or a poor but handsome guy? So you can answer now.
Thank you very much for that very mind-boggling question. Ladies and gentlemen, Disney princesses were created so that our fantasies would come alive. So that every single walk of life, to those people, to those girls or trans nenes, would have something to look up to. So the question persists, if I was Belle, would I fall in love with a rich guy but not handsome? Or a handsome guy but is definitely poor? I would like to be honest. I believe that the social standing, whether you are wealthy or not, I do not judge you. Especially if you would accept me as a Disney princess or as part of the LGBT that I am. However, you are giving me the option to choose. So I would just rather choose to choose the rich guy, but is never handsome. Why? Because let's always take in mind that beauty is subjective. We can always be kind and not be beautiful. And that being kind will make us the most beautiful person in the world, especially to the person that we love. And that riches, that wealth, that money, that is just something that is lucky for us, because we will use it in a positive way. Because I always believe that money can be the root of all evil, but it depends on how you will use it. So definitely, honorable panel, pipiliin ko po ang hindi gwapo pero mayaman. Dahil lagi po natin pakatatandaan, ang ganda, ang gwapo, lilipas po yan. Pero ang puso at ginagawa mo sa pera mo na pagtulong sa kapwa mo, yan ay mamumutawi habang buhay. Because I always believe in the saying that goes, that what you do to yourself dies with you, but what you do to other people stays with them eternally. Thank you so much, and good evening.
Thank you very much, Miss Yang La Victoria. You can change it.